Tucson drivers encounter work zones like these all the time, but many don't know how to navigate around them.
At the start of every safety meeting, we talk about keeping your head on a swivel.
Sam Kennedy is in charge of keeping his construction workers safe on the roadways.
Our number one hazard in the business we do, which is repairing and building roads, is traffic. People driving drunk, people texting when they're drunk, people not paying attention and driving into our work zones and actually physically hitting our workers.
Pinned onto one wall of his office are the most recent incident reports of drivers crashing into work zones in Tucson. All of them involve drivers or construction workers going to the hospital.
This particular driver kept on going and they didn't catch him, so he had a hit and run.
The Arizona Department of Transportation reports that 73 people have died in work zone related crashes in the last 5 years. In addition to that, 122 people were seriously injured.
It's really as simple as slowing down and paying attention. That really is what many of the work zone fatalities are about.
Every work zone will have a posted reduced speed limit. Even if you don't see it, transportation officials ask that you drive below the speed limit and watch for construction workers.
Put down your cell phone, stop fiddling with the radio, just pay attention to the roadway.
Perla Shaheen, KGUN 9 on your side.